Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix InstaCart digital card not adding to Apple Wallet. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all you have to go to the wallet application on your iPhone or another iOS device. This one right here, it should come pre-installed with your iPhone or another iOS device that you're using. Just click on it and then just click on the plus icon in the top right corner of the screen, and then just click on debit or credit card. Click on continue, and here you have to scan your InstaCart. So just open the InstaCart digital cards details on a laptop screen or something like that and scan it, or you can just enter the card details manually. However, if it still doesn't work, I've seen some solutions on Reddit for this. So if I just go to this subreddit, you can see a lot of people are having this problem. So someone gave some instructions to fix it here. So you have to go to the InstaCart app, and somewhere in the settings it's the Apple Pay option. You can't do it through this wallet, so make sure you use the make sure you make the InstaCart primary when you do get it in your wallet. So yeah, here are some instructions that you can follow and see if it works for you. Otherwise you can just contact InstaCart support and tell them about your issue, and they should fix your problem within 24 to 48 hours. So yeah guys, if you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.